Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I decided to do a Valentine's Day makeup look, whether it's for yourself or for someone else, you know. Anyways, I did a cut crease today. I didn't really expect it going into this makeup tutorial, but I ended up doing a cut crease because I've been seeing so many people do cut creases for Valentine's Day. I decided to jump on that wagon and do one myself. I've never done a cut crease in my life before. This is the first time I've done it, and might I tell you, like, I love how this look came out. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. But first, before we jump right into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see my future looks with doing cut creases. Maybe next week I'll do another cut crease. Like, who knows? And like this video because I tried something new and went outside my comfort zone, and I went and I conquered. I know it's came and conquered, but I have so much energy right now. I think I'm just like talking gibberish. Anyways, enough stalling. Let's get right into the video. So I already like prepped my skin. I put moisturizer on, I put primer on, I put eyeshadow primer on, and then I set that. So I usually go into this moisturizer, and that's what I did today. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. You guys know this is like my top favorite moisturizer. If you guys have dry skin and need like a boost in hydration, definitely check that one out. The next thing I did was primer, and I've been getting so much acne on my face. There's like a lot of glitter over here. I was testing out products and that just happened. Don't ask me how. Yeah, where was I? Anyways, I'll just start over. I have a lot of acne on my face due to stress, school, you know the deal. So I went into this Cover FX mattifying primer. Oh my god, I just squirted some out of my hand. Mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment. This has salicylic acid in it, and I'm just gonna rub the excess on my face. My skin isn't that oily, but it's very like pimply. Like, I have so many pimples, it's ridiculous. And it's not even like, oh, the whiteheads where you can squeeze them out. It's just like a cystic acne. It hurts, but it's life, so gotta deal with it. Then I went into this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion to, you know, have a nice base on my lids, and I set that with this MAC Studio Fix powder, I guess. Oh my god. Powder in NC46. This is, I think, my color. Like, I go there so many times and they don't really like match my shade perfectly. Sometimes it's lighter, sometimes it's darker. I know, like, between like a summer and winter we're like changing like skin colors, but sometimes it's very dramatic and I don't see it's my fault for buying it, but you know, I really want to get matched to my color. Anyways, I'm rambling, so let's just hop right into eyeshadow. First, I think I'm going to conceal my brows a bit, so I'm going to take concealer, flat brush, and just go at it. You guys know the deal with this. This isn't like a boom in your face. Like, I highlighted, I did my brows, something. It's just so I can have like, I can conceal the hairs that are like peeking out because I need to do my brows, but I'm trying to wait so they can just grow out and be a little bit thicker so I can just go have them get threaded and look even better. So now that's done. I know I did that so messily, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm gonna go into, let's see, I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I know a lot of people, I don't see a lot of people using this palette, but it's fairly new. It came out like, I think, the ending of last year, and people barely use it. I don't know why. It's such a good palette. It has so many colors in it, and you guys know I love my colors. So for the first shade, I'm going to go into, it's called Still Shot. It's this peachy pinky color right here. that barely made a difference. I don't know if you guys can see. I can barely see myself, so I don't blame you if you don't see. The next color in this palette that I'm gonna go into is this color right here. I don't even know what it's called. It's called Wild Heart. And I'm just gonna work that in the crease. I'm gonna go into, let's see, I'm gonna deepen everything up a bit. I'm gonna go into How I Ride. It's this color right here. And I'm just gonna try to like deepen everything. So let's go into the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go into this like purpley shade right here, and I'm just gonna try to get some color in my crease. Okay, we're making progress here. So I'm gonna do something I've never really done on my channel. I'm gonna try to cut my crease. Yeah, you guys heard it right, folks. I'm gonna try my hardest to not screw this up because I'll be very, very sad if I do. I need total concentration, so don't look at me. I'm just kidding. Oh my god! It was meant to be a joke and then karma struck. Anyways, yeah. Still look at me. Still look at me. I'm gonna take the littlest amount on my brush and just start doing this. Oh my god. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I think I did that properly. We'll just see how I do the next eye. This is like the eye that I screw up a lot because I'm a lefty, so my right side of my face don't usually like turn out as well as the left side of my face. So let's just see how I do this. Okay, I think I did it. I'm just gonna set it real quick before like something happens. First time ever doing a cut crease, and oh my god. Okay, all right. I mean, this won't be perfect, but at least I tried. Honestly, like I've been terrified to try this because it's really not for me. Honestly, like I think it's because I have like really oily eyelids. That's why. But we'll just see how this holds up throughout the day. I'm gonna set it in place now because I don't want like my oils on my eyelids to like peek through. Can't believe I did that. Oh my god. Okay, all right, it may not be the best, but it's my best as of right now since it's like my first time trying it. Baby steps, guys, baby steps. If you guys are struggling with something and you try it the first time and it doesn't turn out the way you want it to be, then try it again. Practice does make perfect. Watch, a year from now I'm probably gonna be doing this with my eyes closed, literally. And you never know what you can do with something until you try it. So words of wisdom today. Anyways, I'm gonna go into this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. It looks like this. Like, oh my god, I love the pops of color in here. And I'm just gonna go into the shade Living Lavish. This is bright pinky color right here, and I'm just gonna put that where we cut the crease. I don't know how I'm feeling about that shade because I feel like it's like an eyeshadow topper. I don't really find nice pinks that'll come out on my face, like on my eyes. So I'm just gonna go into the James Charles palette and try to put this shade on top of it just so I can have like a pop of color on my lid. Okay, now that we look kind of funny, we're just, this makeup tutorial may not make it up. I'm just gonna go back into that like pinky mauvey shade, and I'm just gonna try to like do something in this crease because it looks like we have nothing in the crease. I want to, because I feel like this is such a basic look, like a basic cut crease. I want to go into a darker shade and just do like something on the outer V, because I'm not okay with just being like a simple basic look, and I'm not even satisfied with it. I'm like so disappointed in all these pinky shades, it's not even funny. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the James Charles palette, go on into this shade right here, and we'll see if I can start liking this makeup look. Okay, maybe it's more tolerable now. Let's just go back into that shade that we put in the crease. 24 minutes in and I'm not starting on my base yet. That's like amazing. World record for the worst eyeshadow in history. The mascara that I'm using today is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and look, I have eyeshadow all over my hands. The olive that came out of that Born to Run palette is all over my hands. Anyways, I'm just gonna comb my lashes real quick. No falsies today. Anyways, so the foundation I'm gonna go into is this NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. It's my new like best drugstore foundation. I still love my Fenty Beauty foundation, but this is just, I think I ran out of that one. I think so. So I'm just using this one for now, before I get another one. Oh my god. Okay, and that's one pump. 2 pumps. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face with this sculpting brush. Now that my camera wants to shut off on me 2 times, we'll see if 3rd time's the charm. So I added it. This is so like outside of my comfort zone. I am not used to this, but we'll roll with it and I'll judge by the end product. So for concealer, I'm gonna go into this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I'm just gonna highlight the face and the under eyes. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go into my RCMA powder and just set the face. That's it for like a couple seconds. I'm going to start working on like the perimeters of our face, of my face, not our face. You'll be working on your face. I am like loving how this look is turning out now. Like, I know I was complaining in the beginning, but now totally love it. Alright, so next, you would think I would know the name of this by now, but I really don't. Cheek Contour Duo Palette, and I'm just gonna contour the life out of my face, just my face. I think I put too much. I think I'm very excited for this eyeshadow that I don't know how to act now, so just like try to diffuse it as much as possible. If it's possible, it's okay if it's not possible. Oh my god, no, it's not okay if it's not possible. Please be possible. Alright, it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna clean it up anyways. Oh my god, my eyes. It's glitter, it's glowing, it's glowing, it's glowing. Okay, breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay, I'm just like a little bit, I'm overreacting in this video. I think I'm very excited. This is how makeup gets me. Okay, before we continue on to anything else, I want to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, the lighter shade, and I want to sharpen up my contour a bit because I did a little bit too much. So I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. blush palette and this very pinky shade right here, and lightly add some glow rouge to our cheeks. Holy crap. Okay, alright. We added a little bit. I kind of overdid it. I didn't really realize how pigmented those blushes are. I haven't used them in such a long time. But yeah. Lastly, we're gonna, well, not lastly, this is not the last step. This is not the last step. We're gonna go into this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Conceited and put that on the face. Okay, now that we're glowing, we're gonna set the face. But first, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of chapstick because we will be going into lipstick. I'm setting the face with this Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. And then lastly, we're gonna go into this Wet n Wild, what is this called? Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. Looks like this. I love the applicators on these, if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, boom. Like, the indent is where your lip should go. And it's so easy to line your lips with this. Look. So guys, this is the completed look. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I really didn't expect like I was this kind of an artist. Like, I know I love makeup, but I've always done like basic stuff. I've never like gone out of my comfort zone, did a cut crease, let alone put glitter in my crease. Like, this is just like, I'm just so happy right now. I thought it was gonna turn into a disaster, but I proved myself wrong, and I took, like, I leaped and I progressed, and I'm so much more happy now. Like, my makeup game has been changing. It's been evolving for the better. 2 years on YouTube, well, 1.5, 1.75 of a year on YouTube, almost 2, and I've never done a cut crease on my channel. And then today, for Valentine's Day, I decided to do a cut crease because I've been seeing them all over the place. I've always wanted to try them, but you guys, they intimidate me so much because I have oily eyelids. Like, and then I tried it and I got it, and I couldn't be happier. So if you guys need any inspiration, any motivation to try something that's outside of your comfort zone, then I hope this was it. Anyways, thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please like this video. Comment down below if you guys want me to try something new. I'm always down to try something new. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.